لبيك يا زينب.
يا عقيل اليوم من وكفيل احنا كوافل، كلنا متدربين في مدرسة الغيرة مفاضل.
Zainab is Zainab. She's great by her own merit. We do not make people great by association. We make people great by merit in the school of debate. You know what Imam Zain al-Abidin said about her knowledge? Wallah, this line shakes you when you hear it. عم زينب أنت علمة غير معلمة وفهمة غير مفهمة. My auntie Zainab, it should suffice you that you are learned without being taught by anyone, and you have understanding without being trained by anyone. SubhanAllah. Because of her constant obedience to Allah, Allah showered a grace upon her. Even the angels would come and communicate with Zainab alayhi salam. Ibn Hajar says, you know what Zainab is? Zainab is al-aqilatul aqila, al-labib al-jazla. No woman has received 4 accolades in one sentence like Zainab received in that moment. In other words, you know what he was saying? When you look for al-insan al-kamil, the perfect human being, just stare at the face of Zainab, you have perfection in front of you.